Oops. Took apart the Qjet for the Grand Prix. 455 volts. Anyway, she's apart. Get cleaned up. Main body's in the dunk tank. Gonna soak for a couple of days. Work out all those nice little orifices and get everything all nice and clean. Thought I'd taken it apart before, but as soon as I pulled the top off, I recognized that I'd never seen this carburetor before. So anyways, got a carb kit from the Monkey Wrench, 38 bucks plus tax and shipping, and was here in, well, 5 days. So local shops are looking at 3 weeks to get one. So anyways, I'll have her up and running here sometime in the near future. Just something else to do while I'm taking a break from the heat, working on the roof. Anyways.